Good morning students, my name is Shank Verma and today I am going to discuss chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes and that is part 4. So student in previous video we discussed some question of NCERT. Again we will discuss the question of NCERT which is left, that is exercise 5.6. And student you having another book ML Agarwal. तो स्टूडेंट देखिए कॉन्सेप्ट आई रिवाइज एवरीथिंग ML Agarwal, all the question you will do yourself because every question is based on same pattern. If I solve all the question, so what you will do? Clear? So it's your responsibility, it's your duty to do all the question of NCERT as well as ML Agarwal. So okay student, let's start. So today we will discuss exercise 5.6 question number 1. Okay students, see it is given, name the types of triangle. You have to write down, name the types of triangle. We have to write down types of triangle. Okay everyone? So see student, first question is given a triangle with length of side. Length it is given 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and next is 9 centimeter. This is your question 1 and in this question you have to write down what type of triangle it is and it is given 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay everyone? So you know that all sides are unequal length. You know that all sides are of unequal, all sides are of unequal length. Okay everyone? Or I explained if all sides are of unequal length, then what is the type of triangle? So this is a scalene triangle. Okay everyone? Why? Because all sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then isosceles triangle. If all sides are equal, then equilateral triangle. If no side equal, then this is scalene triangle. See, all sides are of unequal, all sides are of unequal length. So this is a scalene triangle. Okay. You can also write down key all sides of a triangle are not equal due to this. This is a scalene triangle. Clear everyone? So this is only you have to understand, or I explained this many times in the video ki what type of triangle, matlab how we will observe. Okay everyone? Next question it is given. See, it is given again AB equal to, see AB equal to what it is given, 8.7 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter and next is given BC equal to 6 centimeter. Okay everyone? Okay, again tell me student what type of this is triangle. Again tell me, easily you can say this is also a side of what? Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Okay everyone? I think everyone clear what is scalene triangle because all sides are of different length. They are scalene triangle. Okay everyone? So similarly you have to do the question based on this. All questions are based on this. Now next question we will move. See, if it is given, question number D I am taking. What it is given? Measure angle D is equal to 90 degree. Now can you tell me which type of triangle this one? You can say easily this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is what student? This is right angle triangle. Why? Because one angle is 90 degree. If one angle is more than 90 degree, then it will become obtuse angle. Clear everyone? Okay. Next question is given. मान लीजिए question number F it is given. Measure of, this is M means student, M means measure of angle L equal to 30 degree. Next is measure of angle M is equal to 70 degree and measure of angle N is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Measure means the value of the angle are given. Measure of angle L equal to 30 degree, angle M equal to 70 degree, and angle N equal to 80 degree. So student, can you tell me which type of triangle this one? Can you tell me which type of triangle this is? Easily you can say 70, 30, 80. So remember student, I explained if all angle are less than 90 degree. See, this is also less than 90 degree. This is also less than 90 degree. This is also less than 90 degree. So you can write down this is acute angle triangle. I explained this many times. Less than 90 degree all angle, so this is acute angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree, so right angle triangle. One angle is more than 90 degree, so obtuse triangle. Clear everyone? So this is done. Okay. Now come to the next. Question number 2. What is given in the question number 2? Again the question number 2 is based on the same pattern. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट देखिए, मेजर three sides of the question number 2 match the following you have to do if three sides are equal. Three sides are equal. So this is very easy question, student. You know that it is known as what? It is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. You know that when three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. Next is given two sides of equal. You know that isosceles triangle. All sides are of different length means scalene triangle. Three acute angle. देखिए three acute angle. Three acute angle. Okay, everyone. If three acute angle, so you have to find out three acute angle means simple acute angle, triangle, acute angle, triangle. So this to I explain all the things. Okay, everyone. To match the following, you have to match. ठीक है? चलिए. अच्छा, it is given one right angle with two sides of equal length. देखिए, it is given 1 minute. Very good question. It is given. देखिए, one right angle with two sides of equal length. With two sides of equal length. Okay, everyone. See, two conditions are given. One, the angle is right. Second is two sides are equal. So, देखिए, in option one thing is given. This you can say isosceles. This you can say 1 minute. Isosceles right angle triangle. Clear, everyone? I think you are clear. You can this you will say isosceles right angle triangle. Why? देखिए, isosceles how you will write down on the basis of side. Two sides are equal. Two sides are of equal length. Clear, everyone? और right angle means right angle तो isosceles भी और right angle triangle भी. Clear, everyone? So this is isosceles right angle triangle. So match the following you will do yourself, student. Okay. Now come to the question number third. What is given in question number third? You will see. Question number third is given. Question number third is given. Name the each of the following triangle in two different way. You may judge the nature of the angle by observation. अब see student, you have to give name in two different way. यानी you have to give the name on the basis of what angle and on the basis of side. Okay, everyone. So देखिए, first question it is given. First question I am going to write down. See, this is your diagram like this little bit. 8 centimeter it is given. 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay, this is side given, student. Okay na, 5 centimeter. So this is three angles are given. Now you have to tell on the basis of two method. First on the basis of side and one on the basis of what? Angle. So I explain everything. अब see student कि this angle देखो 1 2 3 3 angle are given. अब if you will see now, you will observe कि all angle are less than 90 degree. Why? देखो जैसे if you draw the line like that, this is the 90 degree, this is less than 90 degree. If you draw a line like that, ऐसे, this is also less than 90 degree, and this is so like that, this is also less than 90 degree. So if all angle are less than 90 degree, all angle are less than 90 degree, so this is what, student? This is the type of acute angle triangle. First thing. Second thing, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Okay, everyone? So if two sides are equal, so what it is, student? This is isosceles. Clear? Yani two things clear. First is this is acute angle triangle, and second is isosceles angle triangle. So what you will write down? What you will write down? Tell me. You will write down isosceles and acute angle triangle. Everyone clear na? Why this happen? Because you know that isosceles on the basis of two sides, on acute on the basis of angle, because all angle are less than 90 degree. So this is known as isosceles and acute angle triangle. Clear, everyone? See, on the basis of this, many questions are given. Okay, everyone? So I think now you are able to solve the question on the basis of this. Okay? Or also you can write on acute angle and isosceles triangle. ठीक है ना? Here I write isosceles and acute angle triangle. So also in it is your book, it is given कि acute angle and isosceles. Clear? चलिए. One another question I am going to explain. देखिए. Third, second, let us assume C question I am going to tell. Okay? See, this is your diagram. 1 minute. Up on the, when you will see diagram, you will observe which triangle is given, which type of triangle is given. Okay everyone, देखिए, this is 7 centimeter, this is also 7 centimeter, this is angle. Now tell me this thing, this is what, student? You know that when you draw a line for 90 degree, this will come here. This is 90 degree. अब you know that this is more than 90 degree. ये क्या है? This is more than 90 degree. Okay? This is 90 degree. फिर this is more 90 degree. फिर this is. So this is what, student? More than 90 degree. यानी it means this is obtuse. This is what? This is obtuse. Okay? Or on the basis of side, this is isosceles. Okay? So what you will write down? You can write down isosceles. Isosceles. And what? This is what? Obtuse. Isosceles and obtuse triangle. Isosceles and obtuse triangle. Why this happens, student? Because you know that this is what? This is more than 90 degree. देखो, this is 90 degree and this is more than 90 degree. Okay? So this is simple obtuse angle. And second thing, both sides are equal. You can write down isosceles and obtuse triangle. Okay everyone? तो देखिए, I explain everything in this one. ठीक है ना? You will not face any problem in this question. Clear? Now all the question you will do yourself, which is given. ठीक है ना everyone? Okay. Okay. So now move to the exercise 5.7. चलिए 5.7 पे everyone come. अब देखिए, name it is given in book in different way. In your book it is given isosceles triangle and obtuse. You can also write on isosceles and obtuse triangle or isosceles obtuse triangle. Okay, but main thing is that this both is very important. This is what? On the basis of side, on the basis of angle. Okay everyone? So you will write down. Clear everyone? Okay. चलिए. Now move to the next question. Next exercise. This is 5.7. 5.7. It is given. A 5.7 is given. Each angle of triangle is right angle. This is true, false. True, false. You know that each angle. What is given? Each angle of a rectangle is right angle. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Right angle. So this to explain very. This I explain in explanation. So you know that this is a rectangle, student. This is our rectangle. A, B, C, D. Or its property is that opposite sides are of equal length, and student, one thing, all interior angle of 90 degree. Okay everyone? All interior angle of 90 degree. So similarly this is true, because I explained this very much. So student, in this question I explain everything. Second question देखिए, first question true false you will do yourself. Second question, give reason. A square can be thought as a special rectangle. So you will try to do this question yourself, because I also explained once, and you will find out why you can say a square can be thought as special rectangle. How you can say कि a square be a special rectangle? You will think yourself. One hint I am going to give you कि if, देखिए, just if this is a square, student, or this is a rectangle. Okay, so if the all angle of a rectangle become 90 degree, then we can say this is a square. Okay, so many questions are given on the basis of this. A rectangle can be thought as a special parallelogram. Okay, so I explain all the things. So you will do yourself. You will try to do yourself. You have to give reason yourself. ठीक है ना? Then you will learn कि what you study. Then you will understand कि what is the concept of parallelogram, rectangle, square. So try to do yourself, and I also explain in online classes. Clear everyone? Okay. Now third question is given. A figure said to be, देखिए, third question I am going to read. A figure said to be regular if its sides are equal, length, angle are equal in measure. देखिए, sides are equal, angles are equal. Okay, or what is given? Sides equal, length are equal. देखिए, sides are equal, length are equal, so it is simply what, student? This is simply a square. You can say, sir, it is also maybe possible that it is a rectangle. Okay, but rectangle में opposite sides are equal है. It is not mentioned कि opposite sides are equal. It is mentioned कि sides are equal and angles are equal. So only one, this is square. Okay, because parallelogram also opposite sides are parallel. Okay, so only square is the possibility. Okay everyone? Okay, so 5.7 also done, student. Now 5.8. Move to the question of 5.8. what is given in 5.8? Question number 5.8 student. देखो this is also very interesting कि what is given in the 5.8. Okay everyone. 5.8 examine whether the following are polygon. Polygon, you know that a closed figure made up of line segment. You will find out each name of the each polygon. You know that if I make this one diagram, so you know that this is what student? This is a pentagon. So I explain everything. What is pentagon? What is hexagon? So you will find out. Now question number third. We will move to the question number third student. What is given in question number third? Also given very good question. Question number third. Question number third is given. Draw a rough sketch of regular hexagon connecting any three of its vertices. So first we will draw hexagon. So hexagon, you know that six sides. See, this is our hexagon. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, everyone. This is hexagon. What is given? Draw any three vertices. Vertices, you know that common point of two sides. Okay, vertices. यही तो I explain. Let us assume A, B, C. You will match A, B, C three vertices. To match it, A, B, C three vertices match it. Here you can also match this one, or also you can draw here. It depends on you. So see, this is what type of triangle, student. This is what type of triangle it is given. So you know that all sides are equal of hexagon. I draw. So all sides equal, then these two sides are also equal, and this is unequal. So if two sides are equal and one side equal, then what is known as, student? This is known as what? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This I explained many times. Why two sides are equal? Because all sides I took equal length. Okay, you will also take. So all sides are equal length. This is hexagon. Okay, so you will write down triangle A F A B is a what? Is an isosceles triangle. देखो, this is very easy. Okay, student. Now question number 4. What is given in the question number 4? We will discuss. This is question number 3. We will discuss question number 4. What is given? Draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Now you have to draw octagon. Octagon means, student, 8 side. Octagon means 8 side. Everyone know. So we will draw 8 side. 1. Acha, you have to draw the diagram with the help of pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, everyone. This is octagon. So mark A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, everyone. We mark. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 यानी 8 पॉइंट यानी इट इज ऑक्टागन. व्हाट इज गिवन कि ड्रा अ रेक्टेंगल बाय जॉइनिंग एग्जैक्टली 4 वर्टिसेस. तो यू हैव टू ड्रा अ रेक्टेंगल जॉइनिंग 4 वर्टिसेस. तो हाउ यू विल ड्रा, स्टूडेंट? देखिए यू कैन टेक दीस 4 1 2 3 4. तो यू कैन ड्रा लाइक दैट, मतलब वर्टिकल, और यू कैन आल्सो टेक G H D C. Okay, so here I am going to take this one G D H C. देखिए this is very simple. So you will write down G H C D is a what? Is a rectangle. Okay, everyone. देखिए everything given in the question. The information is given in the question. What is given? You have to draw a rectangle. You have to draw octagon. You have to draw any 4 vertices. Join any 4 vertices and the diagram, the form. What is the diagram? This is rectangle. Okay, everyone. So this is about rectangle. So I think now you are able to understand how to solve this question. Okay, everyone. Okay. Now move to the next question. Okay, I am explaining all the question because you have to do both books, and both book it's about the same question are given. So ML Agarwal you will do yourself. Everyone clear? Because I explain all the things. Question number 5. Or if you are facing any problem, you can ask. 5. A diagonal is line joining that joining two vertices. Diagonal means you know that join opposite vertices. Okay. So what is given? Draw a rough sketch of pentagon and draw its diagonal. So chaliye, everyone draw a pentagon. This we will draw a pentagon. Okay, everyone. So you have to draw the diagonal A, B, C, D, E. Okay, everyone. Now you know that this is also a diagonal. A to B. This is also a diagonal. Okay. B A to C. This is also a diagonal. B to D. This is also a diagonal. Okay, everyone. Next. D to E. This is also a diagonal. Okay, everyone. Now C to E. This is also a diagonal. Okay, everyone. तो this diagram you will make only it is given draw a pentagon and you have to what you have to join the diagonal only this is given in the question. Okay everyone. Okay चलो अब now we will discuss some 3D structure देखिए I will draw only diagram the information you will study yourself because when you will read yourself ना you will understand lots of things. Okay चलिए तो we will discuss some 3D dimension 3-dimensional shape. Okay everyone. तो okay अब everyone know कि rectangle square everyone know. अब we will draw some 3-dimensional shape. 3 जैसे 3D बोलते हैं ना वही 3-dimensional shape. Okay everyone. अब देखिए first student first is what first it is given cuboid. First is cuboid. अब information you will study only I will explain what is cuboid. देखिए what is cuboid. If you will draw a diagram like that or everyone draw in your copy. Okay and you will join this one. So this is what student this is cuboid. अब what is the example of cuboid student. What is the example of cuboid. देखिए your box is the example of cuboid. Okay brick is also example of cuboid. जैसे brick box is example of what cuboid. अब it is given in your book student. देखिए in very easy manner in everyday life we come across many objects that appear in the shape जैसे brick box they are in the form of cuboid. Clear. अब देखिए this is face edge you will study this one what is given. Clear everyone. जैसे this is face this is your face. Okay or next is given edge or this you know that this is vertex you know that common point. Okay everyone. So this is your cuboid or everyone study ki what is cuboid. I will ask this is cuboid student. Okay अब next diagram we will discuss cube. Next we will discuss cube. Okay everyone. Cube. So cube you will make like that. This one is your cube. Okay everyone. This is our cube. Okay everyone. So this is our cube. You will join this line also. So this is our cube. What is the example of cube. So example of cube you will find out it is 6 faces. Okay 6 faces it is. देखिए it is given a cuboid in which length breadth and height are equal. अब cube means देखिए its length breadth and height are equal. It means देखो जैसे we draw a cuboid तो cuboid में length breadth and height are not equal. ठीक है ना length breadth and height are not but here you can see तो length breadth and height are equal. So the cuboid whose length breadth and height are equal known as cube. Clear everyone. In this length breadth and height are equal. So related to these things you will study in further classes but simply you know that cube means a cuboid whose length breadth and height are equal. Okay is known as cube. Clear everyone. So this is our cube. Now next is prism. Only I am drawing this ठीक है ना because a little bit knowledge very important for these things for your next class. अब देखिए the next is prism. Prism also like that. This is your prism. It is given. Only I am drawing that diagram which is given in your book. Okay, because this is in very easy manner. So this is your prism. A prism is what is shown. देखिए prism two identical top. देखिए two identical. This is also top. This is also top. Clear everyone? This is two identical top. This is known as prism. And this is also a triangular prism has 5 face, 9 edge, and 6 vertices. Vertices you know that what is the vertices. Vertices mean the common point. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 they are vertices. So they are the vertices of the prism and two corner point. Clear everyone. Lots of things is given in this one. Okay everyone. So this is our prism. Okay everyone. अब the next thing student will discuss is sphere. अब sphere तो everyone know. Sphere तो many things I explain. Just like this one. This is what student. This is our sphere. This is what student. This is sphere. Okay. Now we will you will see कि this is face. This is what this is face of the sphere. Face is like चेहरा. This is face. Okay. So this is our sphere. Okay, and what is the example of sphere student? जैसे football, football is example. Ball is also example of what? Sphere. Next thing is then cylinder. Cylinder, you know that cylinder जैसे road roller देखा ना, road roller is an example of cylinder. Okay, और cylinder, do you know that how you make cylinder student? Cylinder जैसे this is our given, this is our cylinder. Okay everyone, cylinder, do you know that na, LPG you are using. Okay, so this is our cylinder. So cylinder is, देखिए, a road roller is example of cylinder. It is very easy manner, it is given in your book. Road roller is example of cylinder. Okay everyone, like road roller. Okay, we will not discuss so many things about this. Clear everyone, because this is the मतलब only basic thing is given in your book कि what is, only you have to understand the shape. अभी फिलहाल you have to understand the shape. So this is the shape of cylinder. Next thing is given cone. तो cone everyone know, cone तो everyone know ना, जैसे birthday cap, ice cream cone is given. So you know that this is what is student, this is cone. Okay everyone, example is birthday cap. Okay everyone, or what is the example? Ice cream cone, you know that ice cream cone. Okay everyone, so this basic information is given in book which I explain, or also student you will discuss, or मतलब you will study all the things which is given in the book. ठीक है बेटा, देखिए, when you will study more your concept will clear, crystal clear, and any doubt you will मतलब any doubt you are facing you can ask me anytime. मतलब you can ask in the group or you can ask in the class. Clear everyone? So all things I explain everyone. अब the question related is this, you will try to do yourself. देखिए, when you will try you will find out many things. Maybe you are doing मतलब wrong, ठीक है ना, लेकिन many possibility will arise, मतलब you will learn many things, ठीक है ना, कि why this mistake is arise, and further in future you will not forget anything. Clear everyone? तो maths is a subject you have to do more and more practice. Clear everyone? So I explain all the things, cone, cylinder, cube. Clear? Basic things I clear, basic information I clear. What type of figure, मतलब अभी presently you have to understand कि how you will understand. Can anyone ask me what is this? This is cone. What is it? This is cylinder. Okay everyone, example I given. So I explain all the things related to this chapter everyone. Clear? So and ML Agarwal question you will do yourself because all question is about to same. Clear everyone? So next video we will discuss the next chapter. Clear student? Thank you.